It's gold and silver time! Market update time! Let's get straight into it! Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alrighty then, so market update time. Let's get straight into it. Now, why the hell am I speaking like that? I've had no carbs this morning. I am carb depleting, if not really carb depleting. I'm just having no carbs for breakfast and lunch, and then dinner I'll get some carbs into me. Trying to maximize that fat loss that I'm trying to get a bit more cuts in those abs that I got, bit more rips. So let's have a look at the markets here. So the top charts, guys, is the silver chart. The bottom charts is the gold chart. Just quickly do this. This one here is the daily chart silver, weekly chart silver, weekly chart gold, daily chart gold. So what we see here, guys, on this picture here is we see that looking at, I tell you what, guys, every time I do a damn freaking piece of every time I do a recording, my software just starts to go crazy on me. It really does. Oh, I don't know. It's just crazy. Anyway. Alrighty then. Let's see if we can work this now, eh? So, let's have a look at this here. So, firstly, you can see that silver. If I just open up this silver chart right up, you can see silver actually was just... I was watching silver yesterday. I got, my goodness, silver was just going crazy. Crazy from low to high. What was it up? Probably close to, yeah, it was close to 7% it was up at one time in one day. And then it came down to close only they say, only at, what's that, around about, what about 2 or 3%, somewhere around there. And now it's up just slightly today. So guys, it's really interesting to see what's going on here, especially in silver. It's just like how much can this continue to go up? How much can it go up? I'm surprised that it's still going up right now. I would have thought I thought we would have got at least a little bit of a pullback. We've just had all this bam to the high side. And if you bring up the weekly chart, you can see on that weekly chart on the silver chart that we have this high point up here, which is around 21. So this is obviously this week's bar. The market just opened up and took off. Almost got to that level up the top there, which is that sort of 2150 level, and then came straight back down. So it's going to be really interesting to see what's going on here. But literally for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, this has just been bullet out of a gate when it comes to silver. So silver is looking very strong. I do expect some sort of a pullback soon. That's what I'm expecting. But as I was saying like yesterday's video, that we just don't know what's going to happen with this here, especially with the US stocks and stuff like that. If something happens, then then something obviously something big's going to happen in the market. Then what's going to happen is we will if something's going to happen in the stock market, then the feed trade's going to be, and this thing's just going to keep going up and up. And so that's obviously what we see there in silver. So I do expect some sort of a pullback soon. If nothing comes out of the markets, then I do expect some sort of a pullback, which might be good for that as well too. Looking at gold has continued to break up a little bit. Not really much going on there. It's having a lot of problems around this sort of 1357 level, as you can see. If I just squeeze my chart up a little bit more, let's just squeeze my chart up a little bit more here. You can actually see, if I squeeze it up, you can actually see what's happening here in the market. It's had a big drop down, big run up, and then a little bit of a double top formation going on. It's having a definitely, as soon as it got past that 1300 level, then we started moving to the high side. So very interesting to see what's happening with gold. And on that weekly chart with gold, guys, we can actually see the next target for that is around the 1400 level. So we do have some sort of short-term support and resistance where it was before. I think that's where it stopped before, but I think the overall bigger target is up here around the 1400 level. So to me, I think gold has another sort of 2 or 3% move to the high side before it finds any real true support or resistance levels. Now, again, guys, if something happens to the stock market or something comes out in the stock market, this is going to be a fear trade, and we're going to start moving up. We're going to start moving up some big time. So, Bopoli says that we should start to see some big moves in July in all the markets. So, anyway, guys, that's a bit of an update on silver and gold. Let's see what happens. Hold on tight, because it's going to be a ride of your lifetime, especially over the next 6 months. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.